Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, park the Ranger on level ground, handbrake engaged, and shift in neutral. First, feel for the retaining collar or small clip under the knob. That seam tells you how it fastens. Use a plastic trim tool or an 8mm wrench to pry the clip or rotate the collar. Do this slowly so you don't crack plastic. Once the clip releases, pull straight up with firm, even pressure to remove the knob and expose the shifter shaft and adapter. Once the knob is off, inspect the adapter, threads, and any rubber sleeve for wear. This prevents looseness later. If the new knob uses the same spline pattern and thread size, transfer the adapter or sleeve onto the new unit. If not, swap to the correct adapter supplied. Tighten any set screws lightly first to align the knob, because over-tightening now can misalign the gaiter or cause binding when shifting. Make sure the knob crowns and markings face. To finish, seat the new knob fully onto the adapter. Align any orientation marks, and tighten set screws evenly to manufacturer spec so the knob is secure but not crushed. Once done, cycle through all gears while parked to confirm smooth engagement and that the lever returns to center properly. If you feel binding or misalignment, stop, loosen screws, realign splines or the rubber sleeve, and reseat the adapter. This simple reorientation fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.